so ridiculous.
What are you making, Benjamin?
Smile.
Smile. Are you drawing? Can you write some letters for me? You don't have to smile.
No, he's making a smile.
No, he's not. Oh, zigzags.
Zigzags?
Zigzags.
Yeah.
Wow.
Zigzag.
Zigzags, yeah.
Are you going to make an F?
Make an F.
An F? What? Can you make some letters for me? Can you make a V or a U?
A V. A V.
There.
A U.
Yeah. Upside down, but that's okay. You're doing good. Are there other letters you can write? Can you write a W?
W. A W.
Yeah. Very good.
A W. A W.
Can you make an O?
An O.
You want to make that into a sun?
A sun.
Look at that. Very nice. Well,
A sun.
now it's a sun that has a very long trail.